Alright, hello universe, welcome to Angels AI, and today we are going to summarize all the things that we have learned till now. Alright, so for that we are going on to the website. For example, to take an example, I'm going on to my own website. Okay, this one. So till now in CSS we learned how we can give some text their font, how can we change the color of the text, how can we change the height and the width of the image. Just like you can see in this website, I have given the image to be a different size, and I have the different kind of text given onto here. Okay, and this is a paragraph which has some else CSS padding. Okay, so this is a button, and we also learned how we can use how we can give padding and the margin of a particular element, right? And we also learned so many more things, that how we can actually place things on it. And one more thing that we learned is that how we can write more appropriate CSS coding. So to summarize all the things, I'm again opening my VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to show you what we did in our CSS. So starting from the first lecture, okay, we give the color. Alright, and we did the inline CSS, and then later on we moved on to the internal one, and then we are now coding into the external CSS. Fine. So we learned so much of text decoration. We also learned background colors and all the backgrounds, background attachment, background repeat, and we also learned how we can apply, just a moment, how we can apply fonts, font families, and everything. Okay, so till now we have covered our basic CSS, and now we are going to move on to the advanced one, in which we are going to learning the CSS, the advanced CSS, while creating a project. Okay, so the projects after this are the part of both HTML and CSS course. Okay, so you have to preserve these projects, and you can get these projects into a different directory in your course space, okay, workspace, whatever you call it. So make sure that you find those courses, means in the next those folders, and then you complete those projects in order to complete your HTML and CSS learning. Alright, so with these projects we are going to keep an hands-on experience, means we can apply so much of practical things while completing that project. So that was it for today's video, and see you in the project.